Can't hold it though.
You know, there's probably parts of it on video.
I wasn't. It was just.
You have to go like. Yeah, exactly.
I did not have it up.
It's like hacky sack.
Yeah.
Thank
Why
you.
don't we just get a hacky sack when we go back?
Ew, I hate hacky sack. It's so hippie. Not metropolitan.
Going around, I don't know how
Yeah, there's
people
so
Hitler's youth. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Facebook people are gonna think I'm Nazi now.
Here, take
Oh
that.
yeah, that's a great one. Homosexuals is Nazis.
Good. Keep it. No.
Keep it simple.
Okay, get yours.
And the
Yeah.
nail.
Double
Yeah.
penetration ball sack style.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Okay, go.
Go. Yet again.
Well, when you do that,
Hey, let me film you for a second. Aw, look at how cute she is. Oh.
do your little puppy eye thing.
Aw. That's really cute.
You're zooming in on my nostrils, aren't you?
Hang on.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Beautiful.
I'm glad I made that as
Okay. Now take off her top.
What? Don't!
In the
No.
snow.
Your hands are freezing!
Well, I'm just touching snow.
It was like what, 11:30? Thank you.
Beautiful. This is Sparta. Actually, this is more like a Build-A-Bear horny day.
You brought, oh yeah, you did.
Huh?
You brought Sparta.
Do you like that movie?
Every male.
Why do you
loves
like that movie? Because he likes that bald guy, the bald fat guy.
Yeah.
Oh, snuggle with his ass.
This will be his ass. No, I'm kidding.
Okay, show me her ass. Okay, show me what you're gonna do to her ass. Show me what you want to do to her ass.
No.
And then.
It's more like this.
And then what?
No, I'm kidding.
Ew.
Look at matching tongues, look.
Ew. Lick each other's tongue.
Yeah.
Ah, your tongue's so watery.
I know. I drool.
Milky.
What are you doing? Get the fuck away from me. Cash is happy feet.
Pickle surprise!
Oh god.
Oh, Brittany, let me